Hi guys, it's me Nanji again and welcome to my channel. So today guys, we will be reacting to our total performer Darren Espanto singing Never Enough. And this was his performance during sa event nung kay Vice Cosmetics. And basically, maraming pwedeng panooring video pero I rather choose to react on this specific video na panonoorin natin ngayon kasi parang marami akong gustong sabihin. And by the way guys, I'm so sorry, medyo foggy yung camera ko. I don't know kung bakit, parang na-fade na yung mukha ko. Pero I'm trying to fix it, hindi ko magawa, so kayo na po ang bahala, magpasensya. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. So let's watch it now.
Getting louder now. Can you feel it like a wave? Take my hand, share it so free. 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky.
Ba't ganyan ang mic?
All the stars we steal from the night time will never be enough. Never be enough. Towers of gold still do. These hands will hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough.
We finally saw and watched the video of Darren Espanto singing Never Enough. And well, first thing is I would like to congratulate or to say kudos to Darren Espanto for for having a very good vocal control, and the volume of his range or sounds of his voice is actually suitable doon sa support nung mic or nung mga equipment or material na ginamit niya para makapag-perform siya ng kanta. So if I say material, that's actually including the mic, the sound system, the amplifier, everything na included para maka-produce ng magandang sound yung venue or yung lugar. But then, sorry to say, but for me, the support system that they have on that venue for me is not enough. There's sort of problem sa I don't know kung kulang sa reverb yung mic, kulang sa volume yung mic, kulang sa basta I don't know. But the good thing is alam mo yung nakaka-impress kay Darren is even though the material is ganon, yung support ng material na ginamit niya is kind of, for me, it's not that good. Pero, yung style niya, yung volume ng sounds niya, yung pitch niya, yung tone niya, binagay niya sa mic, binagay niya sa sounds, sa music. Hindi siya nagpaka-over. Kasi syempre, some of the singer will think, bakit ganito sa isip nila? Back of their minds will think, bakit ganito yung sounds? Parang hindi to yung sounds na in-expect ko or hindi to yung sounds na pre-practice ko. Pero, so kailangan ko bang itaas yung, gawin pa rin yung pinag-practicean ko? Or kailangan ko mag-adjust? So, very good to Darren because he adjusted his own volume, his own vocal volume para mag-complement doon sa material na meron siya while singing the song. I believe the arrangement is the same with the original. Even yung key nung kanta is parang pang original. So that's why we still listen the high notes, low notes, mellow notes, 'di ba? And the good thing about this is the musical phrasing ni Darren, yun yung nakakamangha. Kasi hindi siya nadi-distract of anything na meron siyang pinagdadaanan. Kasi for me, guys, I apologize to say, pero the sounds really bothered me so much. So, parang dun ako kinabahan kasi bakit ganito? Parang strain yung boses dahil sa ganung sound, parang nag-strain yung boses ni Darren kasi pilit niyang pinapakibagayan yung music. Which is hindi naman dapat ganun. Dapat yung music ang mga kibagay kay Darren. Pero since na si Darren is so professional, nakibagay siya sa tunog. So for me, his performance alone is magnificent. The phrasing, the musical phrasing that he used is actually perfect. Hindi siya nag-sound na robot. Yung pitch niya, yung tone niya, yung key niya is kung ano meron siya, kung ano yung lagi niyang ginagawa, kaya hindi siya nagsa-sound na robot, even though na yung background music is not I'm so sorry, I keep on repeating not good because it's not good, alright? The only good on that performance is how Darren performed, how Darren adjusted to the sound of the music, how Darren adjusted himself para magmukhang maayos at maganda pa rin yung kalabasan. Kasi kahit panoorin natin lahat, guys, may sort of key na si Darren is para siyang that's my term, na-strain yung boses niya, parang hindi makalabas ng maayos. Pero dahil nga sa professionalism ni Darren, he pulled it back, parang siya yung umatras para doon sa tugtog. And the good thing about this is yung consistency niya from start to end is andun pa din. Hindi siya na-distract. Diba? Hindi siya na-distract. Meron siyang tinatawag nating self-awareness. Self-awareness, meaning to say is, naririnig niya talaga ng dalawang tenga niya kung saan siya papasok ng maayos, kung saan siya dadahan-dahan, at kung saan siya bubuga ng note para sa kanta. Kasi he uses the original version. So basically, wala siyang ibang gagawin kundi gawin yung original version. Although mayroon siyang mga change of version somehow. May narinig akong parang konting change dun sa bandang huli-huli na, or bandang gitna atin or huli. May change siya, pero the performance of him itself, the performance of him alone dun sa kanta is magnificent. He adjusted himself to the sounds instead na yung sound ang mag-a-adjust sa kanya or yung music. And also, yung versatility niya andun pa din, yung consistency niya andun pa din. The tone, the pitch, the range is perfect to the sounds, to the song, to the music. So, yun lang po yung masasabi ko. So, I hope you guys, Darren fans, won't feel mad or anything against what I am reacting to right now. I am nothing against with Darren performance. I'm actually against with the music. So, yun lang nakakainis, or hindi naman ako nainis. Yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin, guys. Okay? So, at least andun pa rin yung vocal control ni Darren, though may mga, for me, that kind of music is a problem, pero sa kanya hindi. In-overcome niya yun. And instead of thinking negative sa magiging outcome, naging optimistic siya, kaya ang ganda pa rin ng kinalabasan. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for your time watching, and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please kindly give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can able to talk and react to more videos in the, in the coming or sa mga susunod na araw. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your time watching. Have a great day. Mwah.